afternoon.
Very good afternoon. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. What about you?
I'm also good. Thank you for asking. So we could I introduce myself?
Yeah, sure.
Uh, Okay, so my name is Wendy. I'm from Jamshedpur, Jharkhand. If you're talking about my education, so I have done BA in Political Science honors. Then I have done Bachelor degree of Library Science from IGNOU University. Then I did some hair course from Delhi. So by professional, I'm a hair trainer as well as hair stylist. That's
Okay,
all
that's
about me.
yeah, that's great. Yeah, so why do you want to learn this language?
Yeah, I love this language, okay, since my college time. So I want to,
Okay.
yeah, I want to. But due to some reason, I didn't learn that time. So finally, I am learning this language. And second thing is, I went for interview, so I rejected. I have means I'm good at my skill, cutting, coloring, all this skill. I'm at good in my skill. But due to weak communication, they rejected me. So that time I realized that first I learn this language. So that is why I'm learning this language. And third thing is, if you know this language, so you can communicate with anyone.
Yes,
So
you're right.
that is why. Yeah, that is. So right now you means you already done no your B.Ed.
Yes, at this time I'm not doing any job. I teach some kids at my home.
Okay, so which is standard?
First to sixth.
First to sixth. So you
Yes.
teach them English or Hindi? All subject
All,
or
all subjects.
all subject? Okay.
Yeah, because they are too young, that's why I have to teach all subjects.
Okay, okay. So they studied they study in school. They go to school or what?
Yes, yes, they go to school.
Okay.
And yeah, and when did you start your spoken English journey?
Yeah, I started my journey. I have started last year, month of October. Means I have been for 1 year. I'm practicing this language.
Okay.
So that time,
And
my initial time, I use means I help of different platform. I practice over there because I don't have any type of surrounding. Means nobody speak at my home and my neighbor or my friend. So it's very difficult to learn this language. No,
yeah, this
if
is the
if
big
you don't
problem.
speak, yeah, yeah. If
Yeah.
you don't speak, so you can't learn this language. So that is
Yes.
why means I use different platform and help of that platform. I'm little bit able to speak right now.
Okay, so do you have a YouTube channel?
Yes, yes, I run YouTube channel as well as these
So
days I'm
when did
working on this.
you okay, when did you start
So my
your channel?
my YouTube channel I started 1 month before. I have been running 1 month before. So I just uploaded 15 or 16 videos. And my channel name is English with Wendy. You know or not?
Okay, yes, I know.
Yeah.
Yes. English, with how to learn English and how to
Okay.
overcome all these fears, that type of content.
Means short video,
No, no, long,
long video.
long video.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
Like a
About
teaching part.
yes, teaching part.
Okay. So means later you started uploading conversation video.
Yes. After that, I started to make conversation with someone, and then I uploaded that type of video.
So means how come this kind of idea? How came this kind of idea? Ki I put the conversation video.
Yeah, because when we learn any language, then most important thing is when we talk to others, then we can then we can overcome all types of fears. If we do not speak with others, then we can't do speak properly, and we can't understand, we can't able to reply. So that's why.
Right, right.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. So,
So then I decided to speak with others
right, right.
to learn new
So,
things, new vocabulary.
so in your English, YouTube journey, what type of difficulties you face?
I face, I have to face means I forget words. My mind goes blank when I speak. I get stuck. So that's the main problem.
Yes, yes, yes. So yeah, sometimes it's happened with me also. No, means while speaking, I stuck. I
I
don't
know
find the right word.
everything, but while speaking, I forget that thing. That thing means present and past. I forget that this thing.
Yes, these
Yeah,
things happen with everyone. I think no. I
yeah,
also did this kind of mistake in my video. Whenever I
yeah.
come no in front of the video, so we feel little. I feel little hesitation, no, little fear inside. So this thing happened with me also.
Okay. So do you? Yes.
Okay, so
So tell. Okay, tell me something about your place.
yes, it's a small town. Jharkhand is a state, but which city I live in Jamshedpur. That city is a small town, but everything you can get easily, like a branded, good transport, hospital, and stadium. Canary Stadium is very famous. Means international player come whenever
Yeah.
match conduct over there, no international match conduct over there, and international player come in my city, and there is a park, there is a zoological park, there is a Jubilee Park. Okay, and Jamshedpur is a plant city, so it's the
Yes.
founder is a Jamshedji Tata.
Right.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Jamshedji Tata. So he also built no Tata Steel Company. So
Yes. Yes.
Jamshedpur is especially famous for Tata Steel Company. So
Okay.
if you go to transport, means if you go to means a visiting place, so there is a lot of place you can visit. There is a means so many what I say, Swarnrekha River is there. So yeah, there is a you can do boating, and most of the people know Chandil Dam is there. So most of the winter time is already started. So people go for picnic and all these things. So many
Okay.
things happen here. Then so many things you can do here if you visit Jamshedpur. So and temple also very so much temple also very famous, like a Baba Dham, Kavaria also, especially month of Savan. Lots of
Yes.
people
Yes.
Kavaria they go there. Okay, so these things are very famous in Jamshedpur. And especially
Okay.
my city, if you talk about my Jamshedpur, so people said that people call it Jamshedpur is like mini Mumbai,
Okay. Yeah.
and Jamshedpur is a clean and green city. Everywhere you find no good roadways. So this thing available here. You can enjoy. You can come here.
Okay. So tell me about your hobbies.
Yeah, my hobbies are no previous time I was a lot of hobbies like a reading, listening song, dancing, swimming, and yeah, one hobby I continue in my life means yoga. I love yoga, so I do yoga every morning. Yes, I do yoga every morning. Still, I am doing yoga. I do yoga. but right now I haven't not so much time. As a YouTuber, lot of things behind the
Yes, yeah,
video.
we have to
Yeah,
do. Yeah, I know.
yeah. Editing, no, editing thumbnail, making thumbnail. So these things is a very time consuming. So
Yes.
these days I'm doing these things and I am enjoying. No, these are my hobbies right now. Previous hobbies was different, like reading book, listening song, dancing,
Okay.
traveling, cooking. But these days I don't follow these hobbies because I don't have much time.
So, do you
So
like
I consider.
cooking?
Yes, yes, I like cooking, but not. It's like a hobby. Regular cooking is a different thing, no. I don't like
Yeah, yeah,
regular
I
cook,
know.
but yeah, sometime I like to cook.
Okay. Yes.
And
So,
as a housewife, I think you have a no compulsion. You have to cook. There is a no other
yes,
option.
yes. Yes, because, but this is not my hobby. But I have to do this because this is my responsibility.
Yes, yes, yes. But it is very tedious job, I think, no.
Yeah. And okay, so mm, क्या बोलूं? Do you like which festival do you like most?
Uh, I like no Durga Puja.
Durga
Because
Puja.
in
Okay.
West Bengal, yeah, my neighborhood state is West Bengal, Odisha. So West Bengal, Durga Puja is a big festival.
Yes, I know.
So we like Durga Puja because at that time, no, in different place, different area. I'm talking about my Jamshedpur. So different places, big they make big pandal.
Okay.
Pandal, decorate the pandal
Yes,
and
yes,
they,
I know.
yeah, they establish a statue, no, Durga Ma statue.
Yes, yes.
So we visit over there, and every means you that time if you visit no Jamshedpur, so you find that no everywhere hustle and bustle. People are no crowded market area full of people. No, everybody buying for clothes and different decoration part or different things. They visit means they shopping too much that time. So yeah, we enjoy a lot.
Okay. Okay. And do you celebrate Diwali?
Yes, yes, I celebrate Diwali also. So Diwali is, like it's a means decorating home, and clean. So
Yes,
this
yes.
part I like, no, clean home, clean the home and decorate. No, you buy
Yes,
new curtain and new
yes, yes.
cover, no. So this thing buying, I like these things, no, and sweets also making sweets and some. What some snacks type of things no we especially cook this time especially in Diwali. So I like these things but I don't like cracker busting cracker
Yes,
no
I
it's,
also don't like crackers.
yeah.
Okay.
So what do
If
you
you
like
can
most means which part do you like means cooking in Diwali or decorating part?
decorating part.
Yes,
Yeah, when
because it's
I
not
decorate my home, then I feel very good, and I feel yeah, I'm enjoying this part.
yes, yes, yes.
I enjoy this part. Yeah.
Do you cook at home?
Usually dal and pulse means pulse rice and roti.
Okay.
Yeah, and vegetables, some seasonal
Okay.
vegetables. Yeah.
So UP people, because I was in Delhi, so in Delhi people or Punjabi people, no, they very love to eat rajma, chole, So
Yes, yes.
do you
Yeah,
do you cook?
I cook. Yes, I cook.
Uh, so
Yeah.
you love to eat rajma.
Yes, I love.
I
But
like auntie.
chole, I like more chole.
Okay, you like
Dish.
most chole. Okay,
Yes.
okay. So I like curry chawal.
Yeah, I'm also my favorite food.
Okay. So, what things make you happy?
uh, what is at this time when I talk to in English with someone, that time I feel very happy. And apart from this, when I sing a song and dance, when I listen song, then that time I feel very happy.
Okay. So, what type of dance do you do?
What type of song dance means? क्या बोलूं?
Not
Any
filmy dance, I think. No?
no, I can do
Okay, means
Bollywood.
free style dance, no? Bollywood
Yes,
dance.
yeah, Bollywood dance.
Okay, so you means which language do you speak at home?
Hindi,
Hindi. So your mother tongue is
Hindi, and
Hindi.
yes, my mother tongue is
Bhojpuri
Hindi.
also.